Alright guys, we're back in my garage for another video, and today I just wanted to bring you a really quick update coming from MG Flasher. They had another update that I'm guessing went under the radar for most people, so I just want to let you guys know this new feature. Hopefully this is something that other tuners can begin to incorporate in their Flash software as well, because I definitely think it's a nice option to have. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and hop right into that. But first, for everybody that's new to the channel, I create videos to help keep you updated on the latest developments in our community, as well as discuss technical topics so that we have a better understanding of how our engines work. So if you're interested in videos like that, be sure to subscribe because there will be a lot more coming out in the future. So MG Flasher has definitely been on the leading edge for a lot of different features. I know there's one big feature that most of us are waiting on, but besides that, they've basically been the main tuning company to release a lot of these different on-the-fly options and settings that you can adjust whenever you want. And yet again, they're back putting something brand new into their software that I haven't seen before. So this new update will actually allow you to see your wastegate position when it's in the open and closed position. Now, for anybody that swapped their turbo, they know that this is something that would be really nice to have. It also helps reinforce a big critical point that I've tried to talk about in the past, but with our electronic wastegate, it does not get calibrated by ISTA or any other software. All we need to do when we're swapping our wastegate over or adjusting that is making sure it's at the right length so that the car can see the open and closed position. So I know a lot of people are asking, how can they download ISTA or different BMW tools to help calibrate the wastegate? The car does that on its own. When you turn it on, it tries to calibrate the wastegate and find the open and closed position. If it can't find it, it throws a fault, and you're kind of in the dark. All you know is that you need to adjust it to help it find either the open or the closed position, but you probably don't know how much, and if you don't have a tool to measure it, it can be kind of like a trial and error process. So this new MG Flasher feature actually lets you see the distance that the car is reading when it tries to find the open and closed position. So you can see here is a screenshot that somebody shared, and it shows exactly what it looks like. So it shows the open position is green, the closed position is green. Both of them are intolerant, so you're good to go. Now, if your car is throwing a fault saying it can't find the open or closed position, you could basically run this tool and it'll tell you how far out it is and how far you need to adjust it in order to bring it into spec. Now, again, it won't calibrate it for you. It won't change the readings. You will have to physically adjust it regardless, but this just gives you a little bit more guidance, and it can tell you down to the millimeter how much you need to adjust your wastegate nut in order to put it in the right position. Now, this isn't something that you absolutely have to have, especially in my case. I've shown you guys how I measure the wastegate arm in order to get it right on the money every single time. But if you don't have good access to get to that and you just want a quick check, or maybe the car just threw a fault and you just want to get an idea of how much it needs to be adjusted, then this is a really quick and easy way to get that reading without trying to, get under your car and remove a bunch of panels and find a ruler that can fit to get it in there. So yeah, just a really nice, cool feature to have. A lot of this stuff should start rolling out, I think, more and more, because if the data's there in the DME, there's no reason why we shouldn't be able to have a little tab or something that shows us a couple of these different settings just so we can see it for diagnostic purposes. So yeah, really great job from MG Flasher. Keep it up. We're still waiting for Flex Fuel, so let us know when that's coming. But I definitely think that this is a nice feature to have. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below.